Do you like your ice cream set?
Ice cream. I like it. This good, Mama.
Hi everyone, so today we're going to do a review of this ice cream shop playset by Gigglescape. This is not a sponsored video. We just want to share one of my toddler's favorite toys.
Welcome to do ice cream together.
So here goes. If I'm talking and you hear his voice, it's because he's right next to me eating his snacks. He just woke up from his nap. So it's actually been really hard to get this whole set here on the table because he loves it so much. It's actually been all over the house. So I've been trying to find all the pieces and make sure everything's complete for this review video. This ice cream set has a lot of components to it.
Apple.
I know. There's lots of flavors for this ice cream shop. So I'm going to take these out so that you can see the material. They are all plastic. So this is a little different from the other, like Melissa and Doug. Is that how you say it? The other sets that have ice cream shops. This one has a hybrid of silicone, plastic, wood, and the ice cream scoops themselves are quite lightweight, and I'm going to talk about why I like that in a minute. So these are plastic.
Mama.
Yes, baby? And
I
then,
do ice cream.
yeah, all the ice cream. He's so excited. And then there's also the silicone toppings. So I'm going to show you right here. They're very aesthetic. There's a lot of variety. And this set is quite stylized compared to some of the other sets. Like there's some sets that are really realistic looking and fully wood and heavy. And for this one, the way they designed it is it's sort of like plastic and like a peg. So the reason why I like this design so far is because it's lightweight and it's easy to put on top of the cones. And actually he's just, he's just like 2 years old, a little bit older than 2 years old. 2 and a few months, and he has been able to stack these scoops like this all on his own. Like I didn't teach him, but he loves to. I know you love it. I know you love it. Here, he loves it so much. And they do fall off, right? Because they're pegs. As you can see, they're like, might wobble a bit, but they're not just like cupped on, so I think that's really wonderful because it can also double as a stacking toy with all these colors. When you stack it on top and you want to add a topping on it, like a sauce, you just put it on like this and it's just like that. So it's really cute and adorable. If you have a dog like me, we have a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, and he loves our kid, but he does also love our kids' toys. So, sorry, he has a few bite marks here. There's also 2 popsicles, a chocolate popsicle, green popsicle, and this really cute rainbow confetti set. And he just got the scoop. There's a scooper for the ice cream, which I'll show you later. There's also this cute little stand with the ice cream flavors and a thick card that you can take. He loves to take this in and out, and it's very sturdy.
Mama.
Thank you.
Lovely.
You want the cups? Okay. There are also 2 very cute cups. I'll give you one of them. Mama will take the other one. And you just put it right here. And he's also playing on the side right now as I'm filming. You put the scoop right here, and then you put the toppings on top.
Hello.
Hello.
Min.
Hello.
Min.
Really cute.
Min.
And then there's 2 spoons. And they can play pretend. It's really adorable. He's pretending to order ice cream. So then there's also an ice cream stand, and there's 4 cones. And that's really wonderful because then you can build the ice cream next to each other. There's plenty enough to play. Right? You can line it up. And another activity they love doing is line up. If you go to the pediatrician, sometimes they have 3-year-old milestones. And one of the milestones they actually mentioned to us is your kid will start loving to line things up. And, you know, depending on each child's developmental stage, they might enjoy that. Now, there is one challenge with this toy. He just said it's very hard to use. And Mama knows that. This scooper is not very easy to use. If you press the button, it may or may not go down. It's a little harder for them. That fine motor skill, it's hard for them to sort of just do that. So you might need some help, but you click it on and then you press it down. And that's even challenging for me. So I'm going to try that again. It does help when you put it down on the cone and then you press the button. Then it works like that. Anyways, that's a really interesting part of the set is this is scooper. We also have this ice cream stand. And this ice cream stand, you're welcome. Another thing I really enjoy about playing this with him is he loves to have conversations. He's learning a lot of new words after he became 2. Here you go, mango. So words like, you're welcome. Words like thank you. Pink, right? The colors, please and thank you. Those are things that will organically come up during the play. Green, okay. And it's great for reinforcing color recognition. You're welcome. Understanding please and thank you and manners and making things up. Like he likes to imagine what flavor these colors are. What topping do you want? You're welcome. Now these candies are not part of the playset. Please excuse these. These are really yummy though. Jello candy we got from Lunar New Year. I'll put that up here. So the stand is actually really transferable for play. You could put other toys on it or real life candy if you want or little biscuits. But yeah, he loves this pink set and he sometimes likes to take it off himself. It's this wooden thing. Lots of ice cream. Do you like your ice cream set?
Ice cream.
Do you like it?
I like it.
You like it? That's great.
This great, Mama.
And that wraps up our toy review video. Thanks for sticking with us today. I'm Eunice, founder of Dear. Join us for more creative activities, toy reviews, and simple strategies to nurture your child's character. And big announcement. Stay tuned because our Dear website and play kits are launching this spring. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.